May Allah increase you in knowledge and actions. The sister says, what is your advice for the one who holds us back from the lessons in Tawheed by saying, why do we study Tawheed while we believe in Allah and His Messenger?
This is a very good and important question. How many claim they believe in Allah and His Messenger while He makes shirk with Allah Azza wa Jal? And most of them believe not in Allah except that they attribute partners unto Him. Have you seen, noble sister, the one that extends his hand in the direction of the graves, asking them to fulfill their needs and remove their distress and hardship? Meanwhile, he prays and fasts and gives zakat and performs hajj and reads the Qur'an. Is he a believer? No, by Allah, he is not a believer. Have you seen the one who says, help me, O so-and-so, relieve me, O so-and-so, from the dead or the living, while he prays and fasts and does many deeds of obedience? And he says, La ilaha illallah 1,000 times. I ask you all, by Allah, is this person a believer? No, by Allah, he is not a believer. Have you seen the one who repeatedly prays and fasts and does acts of obedience, and he sacrifices for the dead and the righteous by their graves, and they make them intercessors between them and Allah? Is this person a believer? Have you seen the one claims Iman while he mocks the Sunnah, and he mocks Allah and His Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam and the Qur'an and the believers? Is this person a believer? No, by Allah, he is not a believer. So this propaganda that they say to you, inform them, say, what's the ruling of sacrificing for other than Allah? What's the ruling of making a vow to other than Allah? What's the ruling of making dua to other than Allah? What's the ruling of seeking help from other than Allah? What's the ruling of seeking assistance from other than Allah? He prays for 3 or 4 hours. Then he goes in front of a tomb and says, help me, O so-and-so, relieve me, so-and-so, assist me, O so-and-so. This is like her who undoes the thread which she has spun after it has become strong. So the one who abstains from Tawheed doesn't know Tawheed and doesn't know the condition of what most of the Muslims are upon. And the Prophet ﷺ said,
the hour will not be established until Lat and Uzza are worshipped.
And he ﷺ said,
the hour will not come until tribes of my ummah join the polytheists and tribes of my ummah worship idols.
And he ﷺ said,
you will certainly follow the ways of those who came before you, handspan by handspan, cubit by cubit, to the extent that if they entered the hole of a lizard, you will enter it too.
By Allah, O sisters and brothers, verily, now we hear in Al-Masjid al-Nabawi shouting. When a woman enters the masjid, she shouts and then she says,
help me, O Messenger of Allah, relieve me, O Messenger of Allah.
This is the epitome of shirk, that Allah doesn't forgive if someone dies upon it. And most of them believe not in Allah except that they attribute partners unto Him. And nothing separates the Muslims except due to their weakness in Tawheed, not establishing Tawheed due to not giving importance to Tawheed. As for the basis that some of the ignorant parties regurgitate, the ones that say, we agree upon what we agree and we excuse each other in the affairs we differ in. This is a Masonic principle, not an Islamic principle. This is not an Islamic principle. We excuse each other in regards to shirk. We see someone making dua to other than Allah and we remain silent about that. we say your deed is something good? Is this correct? No, by Allah,